Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enter the boot menu on this watch. First we need to turn off the watch. To turn it off, simply press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once you see the menu on the screen, tap on the power off option and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together. So press and hold them and keep holding them until you see the boot menu on the screen. And once you see the boot menu on the screen, it looks like this. You can release both buttons. To scroll through this menu, you can use the lower button, and to confirm the selections, you can press the upper button. In this menu, we have options like Start, Restart Bootloader, Recovery Mode, Power Off, Boot to FFPM, Enter Ship Mode, and we're back to Start. If you want to exit this menu, you can select Start or Power Off, depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to boot into the system, select the Start option. If you want to turn it off, select the Power Off. And then, like I said before, press the upper button to confirm. And as you can see, we're back into system. And that's how you enter the boot menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.